Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here looking, or representing, I should say, or looking like, either way, looking like they represent a day's worth of time, which is what you would normally see. Each one represents 30 minutes. So instead of this representing several days, that's just one day broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going into next week? And that would be if the price can stay up above 775. Now, don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below 775, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. As next week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you want to visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 775 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As of right now, nothing fancy or complicated other than the fact that the party stopped on a couple different occasions on Friday here up around $7.90. So $7.90 will be public enemy number one. But really, resistance levels don't matter. Why do I say that? Well, what matters is what the price has already started to do, and that is when you start to focus on these lows, and you notice these lows keep getting higher and higher, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be built in the upward direction like this, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away with higher bases, and then just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.